Okay, so I've scouted out like spots to take off from. This seemed like a good one, but there are a lot of trees and it's not as close to the main event as I would have liked it to be. Look at that bird. I'm gonna go up there, fly from there. I think that's the best spot. Oh, and you can probably tell this from the video of the lake, but it's drizzling a little. Hopefully it doesn't kill my drone, but sometimes you gotta send it. Alright, this is the setup. There it is. And here I am. Gonna get my stuff out and go. The ranger came and told me that I can't fly drones here. What's done is done.